Hey guys, and welcome back to the Johnson Family Values. Today I am doing something a little different. I decided to do a quick clean with me. I am only doing my kitchen today. This is part 1 of our spring cleaning. So let's get started. Alright, so right now I am just taking a sip of my water. I thought I'd get a little hydrated before I started. Right now I'm trying to do a gallon of water per day. It's a little tough, but I'm trying to make it work. So right now I am actually just putting away dishes that I took out of the dishwasher. Also, we are still unpacking from our move, so it's a lot to do in the kitchen and things like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So right now I am actually filling up the dishwasher. I'm not going to start it right at the moment because I still have to cook dinner and things like that. See, I like to cook dinner in a clean kitchen. I can't have a bunch of clutter. It just makes me feel like I'm not sanitized and things like that. So I like to cook in a clean kitchen. You guys are probably like, why would you cook after cleaning so thoroughly? But it just makes me feel better knowing that I'm cooking in a clean kitchen. I also clean as I go while I'm cooking, so I won't make that much of a mess. So right now I'm just putting the dishes that were in the sink from breakfast into the dishwasher. So right now I am cleaning the counter where my toaster and my Keurig is. The counter cleaner that I am using, I cannot pronounce the name of it. I was at my mom's house one day and she was using it and it smelled amazing. So I asked her where she got it from. She said she got it from Marshall's and I could not find it. So she gave me the one that she was already using and so that she can open up a new one. And then I ended up finding it on Grove Collaborative. So I'll put a link in the description box below so that you guys can get one for yourselves. I'm telling you guys, it is amazing. It smells great. I don't think you can use it really for disinfecting or anything else, but it's great for your counters and just giving an overall great smell in your kitchen. So right now I'm going to start cleaning out my sink. I am going to be using the multi-purpose cleaner, and it's also antibacterial from Method. I believe I'm using the scent Wildflower. I purchased this cleaner from, of course, Grove Collaborative. I will put a link in the description box below for Grove. They do offer some free Mrs. Meyer products when you place your first order, so I will put the link below so that you guys have the option to purchase and get new and free items. actually putting one of my essential oils in my sink. I just love the fact that it gives it a very fresh and clean smell. So I don't do it every day, but I do like to put it in there just to kind of give the sink a nice clean and fresh smell. So right now I'm actually unboxing one of my Grove Collaborative soap dispensers. I love this thing because it gives it a nice little touch to the kitchen. And right there is the Grove gel hand soap. Now I did make a boo-boo and spilt it. I didn't realize it was going to come out as fast as it did, but you know, we all make mistakes. But yeah, so I'm just filling that up with my refillable hand soap from Grove Collaborative, of course. And yeah, it just gives it a nice little touch using an actual dispenser versus the bottle that the Mrs. Meyer's comes in. Alright guys, so right now I'm just cleaning off the other part of the counter on the opposite side of the sink. So I'm using that same counter cleaner for this counter as well. So right now I am cleaning off my stove using the same method, multi-purpose cleaner. So I already thoroughly cleaned off the stove when we first moved in. But you know, I kind of do a thorough clean of the stove, well, really the oven, once every 2 weeks, and then, you know, an even thorough clean for the stove every week. So right now I'm just kind of going over it because I did just cook in there, and yeah, I just wanted to give it a nice clean and fresh wipe down. So as you all know, we did just move into this new place, and we're still trying to get adjusted and things like that. So I will be starting to get all of my organization and things like that for my kitchen, because right now it's not as organized as I want it to be. I have to organize our pantry, I have to do our cabinets and our refrigerator. So, you know, stay tuned for another video because I'm going to be doing organization for our kitchen cabinets, our refrigerator, and our pantry. We don't have shelving in our pantry, which is kind of strange for a pantry. So I'm going to be putting, you know, renter-friendly ideas for our pantry as well. So just stay tuned for that. So right now I am just cleaning off our breakfast bar. It is a mess. So I'm cleaning it off, throwing away things that we don't need. I do believe that we emptied out one of our boxes and just kind of put everything up there. So yeah, I'm just cleaning that off, and then I'll just be putting some decorative pieces up there to make it look really nice. So as far as decorating for spring and Easter and all that, I really wanted to, but with all of this coronavirus and having to stay at home, I haven't been able to get out and get some spring decor. So I won't be decorating for spring/Easter, but you know, I wish I could. It's just not a good time. So am just sweeping and mopping the floor. I am going to be using that silly mop that I have and that I don't like. So once all of those pads are completely used up, I am going to be getting rid of this mop and getting something new. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now is just sweeping and mopping the floor. Right now I am cleaning off the ledge where my diffuser is. I do like to start the diffuser after cleaning the kitchen. It kind of just gives a nice little peaceful aroma in the house after something has been cleaned. So I decided to put, I think, eucalyptus oil in it just to kind of give it a nice fresh scent throughout the house. I will be getting a new diffuser for the kitchen and taking this one upstairs into Kyle's bedroom. So right now I'm just lighting up a candle. The kitchen is completely clean, and lighting a candle to me just kind of gives a nice little scent to the kitchen. I can actually smell the candle when I light it up in the kitchen into the living room, and it just, first of all, I love that candle scent anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, just lighting up a candle to pretty much just complete the cleaning of the kitchen. All right guys, so I am completely done cleaning the kitchen. It feels really good knowing that my kitchen is completely clean and ready for me to cook dinner. Yeah, I'm completely done unpacking the kitchen. Again, I'm going to be doing some organization and stuff like that in our kitchen, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I had fun filming this video. This is my first clean with me. The second part will be our living room. That really doesn't get messy or as messy as our kitchen, but with the baby and Kyle being home, it's starting to, get a little bit more messier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.